the goats. Oh my God, we're going to see what the goats have been up to. So let's just see. Joe, I ordered some sort of, right, so we've got Thursday tomorrow, and it's just like, it's heat wave. I don't usually like, I can't stand this type of weather. It's been really bad. It's been affecting, the heat has been affecting communication, which is really odd. We didn't expect, don't expect heat to affect communication, but it has. Across Cymru, Wales. I'm just going to get the goats in now. Oh, there should be a blood picture. Getting the goats in. So, sort of see where we are. I'm in the little woodland, and we had some nice discussions last night. Actually, there were a few nice on. Jojo that was having their birthday, right? So let's sort of go. Deep inside the forest, there's a door into another land. Here is our life and home. We are staying here forever in the beauty of this place, all alone. There's actually an old ruined building which was mainly massively demolished in the 1980s. And it's a building that we've got on tide maps going back to the 1840s. We know something existed here. Probably a lot before that as well, in a quarry. Records in are a bit odd, to be honest. Sometimes it's difficult to know where to start or not start. And how do you start with some of this stuff, you know? So we're in the woodland now, and I don't know, woodland has that effect on you to sort of, you go a bit more quieter. So the goats have actually eaten down this stuff. I've got them tethered, so I tether them up in different places at different times. Because when they get out their tethers, they do a lot of damage. We've got some new trees planted, saplings basically. Anyone watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's great to have new subscribers on my channel, sort of different people from different parts of the world. It's been sort of growing for about 2.5 years, 3 years now. Apple tree in our sort of larch woodland. When I say our, it's starting to smell quite larchy like, you know, it really is. Something weird over there, just something sparkling. So I'm not the greatest fan of goats. We had 2 goats, and then they passed away over a year ago, and we got this one to keep them company. And then because they died, we needed a goat to keep her company, so we got this one, right? And oh, look at that there. It's like rib-like, but it's not. So it's your doodah, right? It's quite a fat goat actually. So anyway, I don't know if anyone's watching, if anyone's actually on this feed. So get back over to me. So what I've got to do is I can release one of them, right, but not 2 of them. Unfortunately, I've released 2. So what we've got to do, come on, Come on, goats. It's getting these goats out of here now. I was actually gonna keep them down here at night, but they're creatures of habit. So come on. So there we go. There's the goat. So why have I done lots of lives recently? I'm just thinking that my connection with people was a bit lessening. And I thought, well, there are extra people out there. There's a whole world of people. And it's good to know that there are people interested in what I'm doing. That's a bit Stun Gaia. Weren't you? If not, welcome to my channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Lots going on my channel. If you're a fan of history, archaeology, like goats, farming, acting, filmmaking, journalism, politics, you're welcome. So here we go. So we're gonna get. I'm in with the goats at this minute, with my top off because it's been bloody hot. It's been really hot. So we're gonna get these goats up out of here. Hi, Tiddles. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna have to go and get him. I'm gonna have to go and get the bloody stupid goat. So I might actually go and get the other. I might actually let this one eat away a minute. What? Come on. He's not happy with the other goat hasn't joined us. I think it's not. Oh, there he is. Dodge. Bramble he's called. Come on. Thing is, it's this thing about goats. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There he's coming. Well, we'll get her over now, and sort of it's not really populating people at this minute online. So there's the goat again. Goat. Come on, up here. Come on. We're sort of anyone who's actually joined. We're taking the goats in from the woodland now. It's been a bloody hot day. It really has. I'll top off. Shut. The other one. It will be left alone. Come on, over. Come on, over. Even though I've had a goat thing over the years, I'm not overly a fan of goats. What animals do you prefer? I'm on a farm. We've got goats, we've got sheep, we've got chickens, turkeys, ducks, 2 cats. I actually do like my cats. So let's go. We're going up here now, up through the ruins. I'd like to do some book writing tonight, to be honest. Get on with some book writing. Oh, that's wear down a little bit now. Got the 2 goats now. One off the leash and the other one follows. So goats are very stubborn, particularly when you've got a strong one. And the one good thing about having a woodland to feed goats is that you don't need to feed them the usual food. So obviously saving money that way. And the goats have managed to clear all of this, which is great. So they're doing a job. like animals that do a job. So, come on. So yesterday I got really upset with her because she sort of dragged me. So who have we got now? Yes, big Langford brother. Randomness. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget, people, to subscribe and like to my channel. So that's and you know, this is the one thing. I'm a multi-award winning filmmaker now, and I'm gonna have another film at the film festivals shortly. A little film that came out this morning, actually, called Last Camp, which is part of the Wildfire Outbreak UK universe. And when goats don't do what you want them to do, it gets very, very frustrating. Yes, is roasting, folks. Is absolutely roasting. So the other goat will follow now. So why am I doing more live now? Because you're top of the hill. You don't see many people, and life has completely changed for me. And I always hype your videos. I tell you what, randomness is really, really good that you hype the videos. It really is. I've just got to try and believe more. Do you know, I used to be a really egotistical person. You're thinking, well, what are you doing this? So it's egotistical. I'm doing this because I'm hoping somewhere, some way, somebody's going to be watching and thinking, right, this is the person that we need to be in a film or something like that. It'd be great to have people filming in West Wales to sort of show you a little bit about what we've got in these videos. And anyway, really appreciate everybody's help and support. Subscribe, like, join my channel. Right, I've got on feral, and I'm hoping that this goat itself hasn't started damaging the little flower patch. Come on, move it! Come on, come on, come on! Oh, goats, come on, out! Goats. I'm really not a fan of goats. Disobedient little bastards when they want to be. Obviously, he's doing his job, and is now, and you're thinking, well, that's your own fault. Wondering where the other one is. It'll be a massively long feed tonight. And randomness, good to have you on board. Stu Guyan. The weird thing is, I'm looking at there's like 2 people watching now, and you look at the figures, and there's like a lot more watching. It is a really odd evening. There's still a lot of light, and in some ways it's good to have all this light, but it's not good to have all this heat. Come on! Come on! Come on! Gotta get this stupid goat now starting off. Come on! Disobedient little bugger. Come on! Come on! It's pissing me off about goats. Go in there, I can break my fucking neck. Come on! Out! Oh, shit. Loads of stuff around here. Glass. Crap. I've got my top on. Makes things worse. Follow this bloody goat. Direction. I see your work, brother. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. And I don't know if you've seen Wildfire Outbreak UK. It's a little film I put on there today. So that would be absolutely great. Like that, share. That would be brilliant. Everybody's help is much appreciated. And chucking stones at goats because they don't do what you ask them to. Bloody thing. I've got better things to do than chase goats, you know. I just want to work. You give them a fucking, you give them an inch and they sort of walk all over you. Apparently it says I've got a bad connection. So come on, North future. Fucking hell. Right, come on. They seem to do what they fucking want. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Go chase the sheep away because they want to go in that field because there's lush grass that they're going to be eating in a few weeks' time. Keeping a lush field for them to eat. Nice green grass. It's a thing to keep the goats. But the goats themselves, go into the woodland. That's where we're feeding them. So it says it's a bad connection. So how bad, I don't know. Okay, we're still there. And probably not get them to bed yet. Or maybe I do. It's one of them up. See, unfortunately the grass is very dry at this minute. We've got this nice, this has got really nice lush grass. And this will keep them busy for a few weeks. So we've got two flocks. We've got a Borray endangered flock, and we've got a mixed flock then of other stuff, Shetland and Borray. Whoever's watching, like and it's always good. And one thing about subscribing is that press the notification button, then that simply means that you have updates of when I'm going to be doing these live things. So just trying to chain the goat up a minute. A loose goat is no good to anyone. They get out and they do terrible things. And so teaching archaeology just about 30 minutes ago, and then farming, doing YouTube stuff now. And there's a goat in here somewhere. Well, there was. So it's like some of this stuff. Some of these are the Mrs. cockerels that I would love to sell them. One of the things I don't really like these days is chickens. I can't stand them now. They're really sort of a hazard because they bring sort of brains. Then it affects the turkeys and the ducks, and they make a lot of noise. Affects the turkeys and the ducks. So I don't like chickens and cockerels at all, really now. So, and yeah, as I say, go onto my channel after this and look at the new short film that's out. It's a Wildfire Outbreak UK last camp. So I'll be submitting that to some film festivals now to see how that goes down. It's more of a thriller rather than a horror movie. Sort of like a little bit tense, sort of a lot going on. You constantly hear footsteps which are not being made. I'm the actor in it, actually. So what I might do is, yeah, let's go over to the woodland as well, and just make sure everything's locked up. Some of the plants haven't been eaten by silly goats. And if you're new to me, again, like and subscribe. Donations are always welcome, and people that actually join the channel, which I've got about 5 pages of the channel. Sort of focus changed, and focus is now back. And looking here, those parts are going okay. Good, it's growing okay. I might have some fried onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Sour bread. Lots of butter, I think. In this type of weather, that's the way to go, isn't it, you know? So somebody said, why is it so dark? Because it's coming on to night time. That was yesterday. So like and subscribe. I don't know if any of you are into politics, but it's just a bad game, isn't it? Politics. It's gone beyond making any sense. So there we go. So keep that there a minute. Do an OCD thing. Okay. And back to me. So I'll come off this live in a short while. More live streams tomorrow. You never know, I might fancy about doing a live stream in the middle of the night. Maybe. I could kill pizza right now. Pizza of drink. Dr. Pepper, and maybe I want to try Lilt. 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 So Sprite is the one that's no longer. No, Sprite's still. I'll just leave you with sort of a little bit of that a minute. Oh, sky. Little bit of the sky. Might get a cheap one now. I'm still here. So OCD. I do have OCD, folks. So there we go. And liking go on a little bit. So go for a little bit of a walk. Part of my OCD thing. Sort of thinking, right, okay. Everything's locked up now. Got the goats in. I'm gonna have fried. Some fried stuff now. Some fried tomatoes, onions, garlic. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm doing more and more lives to develop the channel, to sort of move the channel to another space to have 5,000 subscribers at the end of the year. And usually, by getting to 5,000 subscribers, there's some video that you post and people watch it and get that extra bunk. So I've managed to get to 4,500 ish, not yet, 4,250 nearly, right? Just thought, right, let's get to that 250. So if any subscribes now tonight, then that will mean that I got to 250 subscribers. 4,250 subscribers. So I've got to call this a night now. Just got to keep an eye on my sheep, find out what my sheep are doing, and basically see if there's... Is that your sheep? Is that your sheep? Come on. Is that your... No. Come on. I got a sheeping problem. I got 3 of my sheep in a field when they shouldn't be in here. Now go on, out! Go on, woof! Woof woof! Woof woof! Go on, out! Go on, out! Go on, Mao, lead them out! Mao, out! Woof! Woof woof! Woof! No! Mao, lead them out! The baby's there! There you go. Oh, naughty sheep being naughty sheeps. Naughty sheeps being naughty sheeps. Right, so that's me done for tonight on this YouTube. And all for the good of the country, as they say. One of our IBCs now. Use the last of the water. Green. So just looking in the van. Make sure that one of our generators is charging. And I'm going to call that a night. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and thanks for being on my channel. STN Goo.